Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a logo using AI. Here you can go and type AI logo maker.io. This is the website that you can use and create your logo. Simply click here start for free. And click here to create your free account. Okay, now account is created. Now here you can add main symbol of your logo. You can also type something like text, this one, and again let me type it here. Then scroll down, here you can select minimalistic, moderate, complex. So let me select this one, moderate, then click on generate button. And here you can see it has started working on it. So guys, here you can see these two professional logos are ready, and we have done it within a minute. So let me open it, and now let me save it in my laptop.